This video will demonstrate how to put up a biography with a picture. So first thing I like to do is to map out what I'm doing within Word. So if you create a Word document with your content in that, you can simply select all, copy, go back into Blackboard, build your new content item, and then go to this crosshatch to expand, and by using Control V, paste everything into your new item. Notice the picture is missing here. If you click this button over here, insert edit image, you will see this dialog box appear. Browse your computer to find your picture. Okay. As you can see, this picture is kind of large. So if you click the Appearance tab, you can change the proportion. This is width by height in pixels. So I'm going to change the width of my photo to 200. And when I click outside of that box somewhere, because I had this checkbox ticked, the proportions of the photo are going to remain intact. So if you shrink the width, the height will also shrink along with it. You do not want to skew your images. Okay. If you can go ahead and click Insert, you'll get a warning that says that you're inserting a picture without a description. Would you like to continue? You can safely click OK. And there is your image in the item. If you go back up here and uncheck the full screen mode of the editor and click Submit, now you have an item added to Blackboard with your photo.